Join us as we make one of our favorite Disney treats, the Dole Whip. Now, we've never made this recipe before, so we'll see how it turns out. The great thing about this recipe is that you don't need a lot of tools or ingredients. You just need a food processor or blender, vanilla ice cream, pineapple juice, frozen pineapple chunks, and either a decorating bag or a Ziploc bag. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of pineapple chunks and a scoop of vanilla ice cream, but we're gonna kind of play it by ear and see. And of course we're using Dole pineapple and Dole pineapple juice because they are Dole Whip floats. Oh my god, that smells so good already.
I'm pretty excited actually.
No.
I hope this comes out good.
I think that looks good. I know we haven't had a whip float in a long time.
No, seriously.
So getting that craving. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more ice cream. Just because I love ice cream. And I think you can go. I think 1 more scoop would be good.
So the thing that's kind of weird is at the parks it's supposed to be dairy free, yet their official recipe calls for vanilla ice cream.
I'm not complaining, but
So, I don't know. I'm sure you do dairy free ice cream and it'll come out similar.
yeah. Let's whip it together.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a lot of. I think that looks good. Smells amazing.
Does. It looks pretty good actually. Let's see how it turns out.
Yeah. So let's. Oh yeah. Oh, I am so excited for this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It looks amazing.
Smells good, like really good. It smells like the
It smells like a whip float already.
Whip float. The Dole Whip.
Okay, let's get some of it there. Okay.
Spin on top.
Kind of big. Oh. Ooh, my hands are cold. See.
So I got hold of this too tight right now.
Ooh.
That works. Why not?
Ooh. Excited. Let's try it out and see. There's still a little bit of chunks in there, but it's kind of nice.
It's really good.
Let's add some pineapple juice in here. You'll have to come try this.
Sorry, I mean. You put the camera down.
So I finished all the pineapple juice. Well, I'll pour you a little more. So even at the parks, the pineapple juice is always the first to go for me. It's like my favorite part.
Yeah, that's pretty damn close.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more blending. Because there's a few little chunks, but it's actually not bad because of like pineapple chunks, so it's great.
Yeah. It's really refreshing. I can see us making this more in the summer.
Oh yeah. So
Super easy and really takes us back to the parks. Now, it's not. The great thing about this recipe too is that you don't need an ice cream maker to make it. You can make it at home with what you normally have, a blender or food processor. So you don't need an an ice cream maker. The unofficial Disney cookbook actually does require an ice cream maker, but this recipe from the Disney parks themselves doesn't require one. So we decided to go with this one.
Way easy. Yeah, that was pretty easy. That was pretty good. Blend for a few more minutes, I'll do that.
Yeah. Definitely making this again, though.
If you don't mind little pineapple chunks. That was awesome. That was good.
Yeah. I love pineapple, so those chunks, it's like nice. It adds a little bit of texture too, because I know at the parks they do sell like pineapple spears on the side, but I like having those pineapple chunks in here. That's a little bit of texture, and extra like kick of pineapple.
That's pretty good.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see other videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned as we make other Disney food at home. Bye.
Bye.
We're gonna finish that thing. It's so good.
There it is.